Hey there, Michael here, and welcome to another video from YAHSHUA Payroll Solutions. In this video, I will show you how you can use and activate the QR scanning feature on YAHSHUA Payroll. Let's get started. Okay, so right now I'm currently on the YAHSHUA Payroll web app, and in order to start using the QR scanning feature, I need first to generate the QR codes for my employees. Now, to do that, all I need to do is head over to Employees over here, click on Information, and go to Profile. Here inside Employee Profile, I need to go to this drop-down button over here that's beside Advanced Filter. So click on the drop-down button and click on QR Code. Now, as you can see here, I've already generated the QR codes for my employees. But if you haven't done so yet, this might still be empty. So to generate the QR code, all you have to do is click on Generate. You can also choose to regenerate the QR code, or individually regenerate the QR codes for each and every employee. All right, once you have the QR code, all you have to do is click on the image and then save it. So we're gonna save that, and then all you have to do is print the QR code so that your employees will be able to scan it. Now, in order to activate the QR scanning feature on the ABA Timekeeper mobile app, you need to first go to Settings on the YAHSHUA Payroll web app and activate that feature. Let me show you how. Alright, so back here in my YAHSHUA Payroll web app, in order to activate the QR scanning feature on my ABA Timekeeper app, I need to first activate it here. So in order to activate it, I'm gonna head over here to Settings, go to Company over here, and then click on General Settings. In General Settings, I'm gonna head over to Timesheets and Timekeeper Settings. And then here in Timesheets and Timekeeper Settings, I'm going to look for the QR scanning feature. So I'm going to scroll down a bit until I can find it. And here we have Activate QR Scanner. So you're just going to have to click on this checkbox and then click on Activate Auto Capture if you want to automatically capture the QR scanner. Now, you don't have to do that, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to set that to on. And then I'm going to set the number of seconds I want it to auto capture. So in this case, I set here 2 seconds, but you can set it up all the way to 15 seconds. Once you have this activated, all you have to do is now save your settings. So go back up and click on Save. All right, so now that we have it set up already on the YAHSHUA Payroll web app, let's now go over to the ABA Timekeeper and see how we can use this feature. All right, so right now I'm currently on my ABA Timekeeper app. And in order to start using the QR scanning feature on my mobile app, I need first to download the settings from the YAHSHUA Payroll web app to the ABA Timekeeper app. To do that, I'm gonna head over to my navigation, go to Download Data, go to Download Device Settings. There we go, that's a success. Go back to Navigation, go to Settings, and then hit Update Device Settings, hit Yes, and Success. So now, when I go back to Home and then choose Time In, you will see that there's now a QR scanning feature activated on the ABA Timekeeper app. So now what I can do is scan this QR code and time in. So right now, I'm going to get over here, make sure it's aligned. There it says Loading ID. So that means it has successfully detected it. And now as you can see, I'm currently now on the Timekeeper app, and it says successfully timed in. Perfect. All right, so now you've seen how the QR scanning feature works on the YAHSHUA Payroll Solution. I hope this video has been helpful. Leave down your questions and comments down below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until then, God bless you.